Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat. Chapter number 5, Arithmetic Progression. Standard 10, Subject Mathematics. Let's we begin with exercise 5.3, question number 2. In this question, you have to find the sum of the below arithmetic progression. Here one series is given, that is arithmetic progression. So in first, you have to find the sum of the 7 plus 10 multiplication with 1 by 2, 14 and 84. First of all, you have to decide that which is first step. So first step is a is equal to 7 in the arithmetic progression. So what is last step? Last step is 84. So we have to assume a is equal to 7 and L is equal to 84 from the given arithmetic progression. Then after, we have to find the mean difference. D is equal to A2 minus A1. So A2 is equal to 10 into 1 by 2. That is a prime factor minus 7. So here 10 into 1 by 2, that is 21 upon 2, because 2 multiplication with 10, that is 20, and 20 plus 1, that is 21. So 21 upon 2 minus 7. So this is the 21 minus 7, that is 7 by 2. Okay. Then after, this is the formula of the nth term of arithmetic progression. L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then after, put the value is equal to L. L is equal to 84. So here the last term is 84. So put the L is equal to, then after a is equal to 7. L is equal to 7. Then we have to find the terms. So we have to find n. So we can't put the value of n, because at the destination of this step we got the value of n. So put the a is equal to 7 and d is equal to 7 by 2. So 84 minus 7. 84 minus 7 is equal to 77. So I just put 77 over here. So 77 is equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2 over here. So just here 77 divide by 7. So here you, in this way you can put the 77 divide by 7, because 7 is the multiplication in the right hand side. So I just transfers at the left hand side at the denominator. So 77 by 7, that is a 11. So 11 is equal to n minus 1 in the bracket 1 by 2. So here 2 is in the denominator. So at the transverse we got the 11 multiplication with 2. So 11 multiplication with 2, that is a 22. So 22 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 23. In this way we can find the value of n over here. Then after, we know that the summation of the Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So n is equal to 23. Then a is equal to 7 and L is equal to 84. This is the new formula. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L, and that is the formula of L which we use in previous steps. So by using this formula you can got the 1046 into multiplication with 1 half. Okay, here 34 plus 32 plus 30 up to 10 you have to find. Okay, so 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus 10 over here. So A is equal to 34. Then after D is equal to 32 minus 34, that is a minus 2 over here. Then after L is equal to 10, L is the last term, so L is equal to 10 we can got. So L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So put the value of L is equal to 10 over here. Then after put the value of A is equal to 34 in this bracket. This is the arithmetic progression term, lth term, which we put the in the value. It is last term. So 24 minus 24 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. So here put the value of 12 upon 2, that is a 6. Okay, so 12 is equal to n minus 1, so n is equal to 13 over here. So by using this formula, here this is the formula of an, but an is equal to L, because our last term is we assume L, so we have to put L is equal to an and an is equal to L in this equation. Then after put the value of A and L in this equation of summation. So Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket A plus L over here. Okay, so you can got the n is equal to 13 by 2 is equal to 34 plus 10. Then after 13 multiplication with 44, because 34 plus 10, that is a 44. So 13 plus 44 upon 2, so 13 multiplication with 22, that is 286 over here. The next example is minus 5 minus 8 plus minus 11 up to minus 230. In this kind of example, you have to first assume A is equal to minus 5. Then after you have to assume L is equal to minus 230. This is the first term and this is the last term. Then after you have to find D. D is the mean difference or difference between the two consecutive terms, which is minus 8 minus 5. You can take minus 11 at 8 also, that's all are same. So A2 minus A1, that is minus 8 plus 5. So minus 8 plus 5, that is minus 3. So L is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So L is equal to 230. We have to just put the value of all the terms in this equation. So by using that equation, we have to find the n. So that is in your homework. You have to solve this equation by after putting the values, and you have to got the value of n. Okay, so that is in your homework. Then after put the value of A and L in the equation. So Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket A plus L, that is our equation. In this equation we have to put these values. So n is equal to 76. Put the value of n is equal to 76 over here. Then after put the value of 38 into multiplication with minus 235, that is a minus 8913. In this way we can find the value of the any arithmetic progression sum which is given in the form of this. Okay, so in this question number 3, in an arithmetic progression you have to find A is equal to 5. Here that given the A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3 and An is equal to 50. So you have to find the value of n and Sn from the equation. This is same like previous example. So solve this one example. A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 3, and then after you have to solve the next example. These two are in your homework. Okay, so try to solve these two examples are in homework, and in next lecture we have to complete these all examples. Okay, thank you so much.